In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy formatting in Google Docs. This is a fantastic skill to know, as it allows you to maintain a consistent look across your documents with just a few clicks, making your work look more professional and polished. Now let's dive in and see how you can easily achieve this. First, you'll want to start by highlighting the text in your Google Doc that has the formatting you wish to duplicate. This might be a header that you've spent time customizing, or a paragraph with specific font styles, sizes, or colors. By selecting this text, we're effectively telling Google Docs, this is the style I want to replicate. Next, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of your screen. Among the icons available, you'll see one that looks like a small paint roller. This is the Paint Format tool, sometimes referred to as the Paint Format or Paint Roller icon. What this tool does is essentially copy the style of your highlighted text, allowing us to easily apply it elsewhere in the document. With your desired text already highlighted, go ahead and click on the Paint Roller icon. This action copies the formatting you've selected. The icon might briefly animate, indicating it's ready to transfer these formatting details. Now move to the section of your document where you want the copied style to be applied. Highlight this new block of text, and just like magic, you'll see the formatting from your original selection transferred over. This is a singular action, which means you can only apply the copied formatting to one new section of text at a time. However, you can easily repeat these steps as often as needed if you have multiple sections of text to format. Once you've seen how quick and seamless it is to maintain style uniformity in your document, you'll wonder how you ever managed without this little trick. It keeps your workflow smooth and your document looking cohesive. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in enhancing your productivity with Google Docs. If you did, don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts or questions and subscribe to our channel for more handy tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching and happy formatting.